Good morning, Miss Karam. So, we just woke up. Time check is 7:20. Almost going to 7:30. Napasarap tulog namin kasi ang init kagabi, then biglang umulan. So now we are here in the living room. Yashan is so excited with his new toy. Good morning, bata. Morning, bata. Morning. Andun pa sa kwarto si Petish. Tapos, what is that? What is that? I thought you will be playing with your glider. What happened? Hmm. Tingnan mo yung weather. Very gloomy. Kaulan to mamayang hapon. Pero medyo mainit pa din. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is maglilinis ako. Nag-face mask ako kasi yung rhinitis ko. Kaya, better safe. Or else, bahing ako ng bahing mamaya. Sasakit ng ulo ko, hindi ako makakagalaw. Breakfast. What is this?
Vegetable.
Masala or sambar?
Sambar. Sambar lama? Sambar.
Sambar. This one is
This
chapati.
coconut chutney.
Coconut chutney. This one.
Fish
Fish.
curry.
Do like that. Now let's see what is that kind of fish. That. Okay. I don't know what's the name, but it's like,
Like a meat.
yeah, it's like tuna.
Sort of.
Tuna fish. But the small one. And then this one is
Dosha.
dosa. This eating. So tapos na kaming mag-breakfast. Yan na yung table setup na nangyari. I mean, nangyari na after eating. After month. So andun sila sa sit out ngayon. Mag-kitchen reveal ako. So ito yung aftermath ng mother-in-law ko every time magluluto siya. So, naghahanap ako ng tiyempo kung kailan ako pwede ko to linisin. Kasi, syempre, territory niya to. So, baka ma-offend siya if ever maglilinis ako. But, sabi naman ng asawa ko, okay naman daw. Nagawa ko na din naman yan before. So, ngayon, finishing cleaning ko yung table namin. Hindi talaga mawawala tong anik-anik dyan. Hanapan ko yan ng paraan kung paano siya matanggal. Pero, in fairness, medyo na yan. Organized na yan kasi nilagay ko yung mga snacks dyan sa container. Tsaka meron silang mga ganito. So, snacks yung nasa loob nito. Ito yung snacks namin.
Over there.
Okay.
It will be a landmark. in the water. It's floating up. Can you please hold this
Keep it there.
for a while? Slime mixed to clay.
Mm.
You want to see this?
Yeah, sige.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, I just found something right over here.
Mm.
I can't my camera.
There was may worm. Parang kala niya kumagat sa paa niya kaya ngayon na siya. Takot na siya.
Flash is already gone by a little bit left. Yes, it's not bad.
He's very particular now, whatever he can see there on the floor. He's scared.
Keep observing things, okay?
Yeah. If you find something, just tell Acha Mama and Acha Ma, okay?
Why?
So that we can see if it's dangerous or not. Oh, bye-bye Acha na. Acha will go to the bank na.
Huh?
You will go to the bank, right?
Yeah, first I'll go for something.
Huh? Okay.
Then I look for the repair shop of this one.
Biglang umulan ng malakas. Kanina na init lang at saka cloudy. Umuulan na ngayon. Yan pala bahay ng brother-in-law ko. So wala sila ngayon dyan kasi nagtatrabaho. So yung brother-in-law ko nasa gobyerno nagtatrabaho. Yung asawa naman niya is isang guro. Mamayang gabi pa yun sila dadating. Lakas ng ulan. Parang sarap maligo sa ulan kasi sobrang init.
Avani kodukama.
Sutti padida.
Go.
Ba.
Get one and plant it.
Ba. Sutti gitti. Ba. Amma achama vannudalla.
Hold that one. Bend down. Happy?
Aku muna na may
Go. That's chili plant.
What they'll grow.
Yeah, they will grow.
I see they have roots.
Yes, that's the roots of the chili plant.
Vicky.
Mm.
That tickles.
Show the. Check that one. What's that? That's the earthworm. That's the good one. That's the one people usually use to catch fishes as a bait.
Why?
Yeah, fishes like that one. Just try to touch it.
Oh,
It's cute.
I don't want to.
You want?
Look, there's one over there.
Oh, that's millipede.
Is millipede that bad?
No, millipede is okay. Good. Oh, that one.
How about the green one, the one we saw? The green worm?
The green worm.
Yeah. You may know it's a caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Yes.
Caterpillar are big, giant.
But
Idama?
some are small.
Hmm.
These are long
നമ്മൾ
ones.
കൂടെ മിക്സ് ചെയ്താ ഒരെണ്ണമല്ലേ എത്ര ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു നിറയെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നാ
രണ്ട് മൂന്നെണ്ണം
show me your face. Where is your face? I can't see. അതാ പൂച്ച ഉള്ളിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്നു.
എന്നെ വേട്ട പൂച്ച പൂച്ച പൂച്ചിനായി തല്ലിയെന്ന് ദാദാ ഉയ് ഉയ്
ഷാൻ
dog ada kerja dah kacau dulu അത് നോക്കി സത്തു
എവിടെ?
എന്നെ വേട്ട വലിയ ബൈക്ക് അത് അതിന്റെ അപ്പന്റെ വീട് പോലെ വന്ന് കിടക്കുന്നു.
So, nagpe-prepare ako ng snacks namin ni Esha. Time check is already 3:20. So, ito, cucumber. Bumili si Ama ng cucumber sa nagtitinda nung, may dumaan kasi na nagtitinda, so bumili siya ng dalawa. Kasi naalala niya na kumakain ako ng ganito. Kahapon, bumili ako nitong mayonnaise, veg mayonnaise burger. Tatry ko to as a dip nito kasi masarap siya. Usually, gusto ko to sa aioli or di kaya ketchup at saka mayonnaise. So, ito nakita ko baka pwede na to. Kasi kahapon, naghahanap ako ng ketchup, tomato ketchup yung meron. So, ayoko nun asin yun. So, ito na lang gagamitin ko. Bumili din ako nito kasi bumili ako ng french fries. Para kainin namin. Try ko kung okay siya. Pwede ba siyang substitute nung aioli or mayonnaise at saka ketchup? Okay na din. Pero iba yung lasa. Okay na. Eshan, cucumber is here. Just try this dip if you like it or not. Just try the dip. Ito yung buhay dito. Kakain lang. Gusto ko sanang matulog. Kaso si Eshan tawag ng tawag sa akin. Busy din si Pratish. May pinupuntahan. Tsaka time to time, kinatawag ako ng mother-in-law ko para may ipapagawa. Like picture ng ganito. Padala ng picture na ganito. Kasi may mga binibili at saka pinaprocess sila. Siesta time. Busy. Busy. What are you doing? Ha?
Where have our boys run up to?
Tapos na kumain ng dinner. Naghihintay ng oras para mag-freshen up. Let's freshen up na. Why? Okay, it's brown out. What is that, Eshan? The lamp like in the house? Who give you that? Tell the colors. What are the colors there? Oopsie! Light is back. Freshen up time. Ang tatay na naman niya yung nagpa-freshen up sa kanya ngayon.